My name is Anthony Castilleja, and I'm the co-owner of Universal Roofing and Restoration. It all started about 15 years ago. I was a leasing agent actually in an apartment community, and I had someone lease an apartment who actually sold roofs. At the time, I was looking for extra money, called the company, they hired me part-time. The rest is history. I stayed doing 2 jobs for about 4 or 5 years. After that, I quit my job and I went doing full-time sales on roofs. And then I started my company about a year later. After that, we just been in the Houston market and we just been selling roofs, roof repairs, roof replacements, all kinds of roofing reports, gutters. I really love roofing because I get to help the client that's in need of something. This is their home, their sanctuary. This is where they live and where they put their investment in. And I actually get to help them to fix that thing that makes them feel safe for them and their family. And you know, in the Houston market, there's a lot of roofing companies, but there's not a lot of them that are gonna give you the right information or that are gonna take the time to actually educate the customer on what needs to be done to their home. I really like Certainteed. We use Certainteed a lot. I think the main reason is because of the weight. IKO, I like them because they have the patented nail strip, the Dynasty package, and I think they offer a good product for a good price. If you're looking to hire someone, look for someone you can hold accountable, number one. They must have an online presence. You wanna make sure they're local, they have reviews, they have an online presence. If they have an office, that's even better. You wanna make sure accountability, when you're hiring someone for a project that's gonna cost you thousands of dollars, accountability is key. So to the homeowner, ask the questions. Ask them the hard questions, don't be scared.